Everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Welcome to another video from today. I just want to show you where we're at when it comes to seeking alpha and all those articles and projections. So today is December 7th, and this is the results so far from TipRank. And let me just see here. Let's go over here. All right, so we're now at 3 out of 5, doing this for 2 months now, okay, since the beginning of October. And we have a success rate of picking stocks. 11 out of 17 were winners at 65%. So talk to anybody, especially, let me show you what the S&P 500 has been doing, the metric of all metrics. So here, you can see year to date, we're down 16%. I'm sorry, 17.5%. 1 year, we're down 16%. 3 month, negative 1.15. And for the month, 4.9. And yet for the 5 day, we're up 3.58. So looking at this, I consider this, it's pretty good. This is what is important to me for now. But having this positive because they finally corrected this. But then there's a lot of other ones that have kind of gone wrong. So I'm going to give up on this. So 64% were bullish, 35% were bearish. I gotta say this is not bad, but this is why I'm charging what I'm charging, because a lot of the top-notch contributors on Seeking Alpha are, I mean, the top are up there, but what they've done is they slow down their picks to keep their ratings up. But I've been pretty active, but I'm gonna have to slow down even mine, my articles as well. It seems that I've been doing too many and they get flagged by the editors for a variety of reasons. So I'm just going to slow it down, put better quality just to make sure that each one can get approved. So that's where it's at right now for these stock picks. That's why I charge what I do. If you want to know more, go over to quantlabs.net/books. Get your free books here at quantlabs.net/books. And just so you know, I got 4 hats now available on my quantlabs.shop. Go there as well. Let me show you that if you are interested. That's at quantlabs.shop. And in here we have hats galore. We got 3 of them. We've got the one I got on right now. We've got the Canadian Logic, and then this one looks like it's leading to be a popular one, Trade Like a Boss. So kind of matches with our book, Trade Like a Boss. All right, so that's how that is. So if you want to know more, I'll put those links in. We got one other hat as well. It's lost in the catalog. If you're a Brit and you're proud of your country, make UK investable again. Got that from a quote on Bloomberg. And some neat colors, the burgundy or the maroon to match your passport, like what I got. All right, other than that, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Later.